In the context of computing, AIO stands for all-in-one. It refers to a type of computer system that combines the traditional components of a desktop computer into a single device, including the display, CPU, and speakers. The AIO works by utilizing the same basic components found in traditional desktop computers, but with a few key differences. The motherboard, CPU, and memory are all integrated into the back of the monitor, which eliminates the need for a separate tower or case. Other components, such as the hard drive and power supply, are typically stored in the base of the unit. AIOs can be designed with either a touchscreen or traditional display, depending on the intended use case. Many also feature built-in webcams, microphones, and speakers, making them ideal for video conferencing and other collaborative tasks. In terms of performance, AIOs typically use the same processors, graphics cards, and other hardware found in traditional desktop computers. However, because of their compact design, they may be limited in terms of upgradability compared to traditional desktop computers.